Mask, turn on the light. Good morning. Hi. Wow. Alright. It's a nice cleaner. Well, no, no problem. Watch, thank you, go and sleep. I'm not sleep, but remember I did it with a pedal bear. Yeah. Clean up further than. And that's you at night, no England, at Jamaica. Oh, Queen, oh, you. And Dewey and Mommy. We find baby BJ cook curd and rice, white rice with green banana, girl. My eye, you don't have to be in the dark. How would I do it? Come at my ears. I'm fine, thank you. Hey, Miss Girl, I have to go for seconds. I go eat some oil again, but I don't want dirt up my teeth. Well, do your friend and can do your bad blood clot. Do we have one more? Jesus, babe. What time I talk to myself as I take the man out of check my DM. God help you that work. The food nice. So we know they just take it out and don't do it. Man really do things different from woman. Statistically proven. Is that the word? Oh, them a bad seminar that. Eh? I don't know my face there. Mr. Martin, you not sleep? Good, good Nisha, big up, Queenie, guy go live, him want, him student money. Maybe this is doing him friend, I not about that pain. I never know say him. My message him last night, I do before. And him answer me back, I hear a voice note, him said to do it. So, me run through the phone, me get away the phone last night, I don't know. My wife, and I'm tell me I did 6 months after me till find it back. So, going forward, this. I love Queenie SEH. This is the role of the mama. So, the run treat now, I'm going at the man number. I hear the voice note and said to do it. I say, Queen, I said the whole lot don't like me. The whole of your friend don't like me and this, that. I say, what me never tell do that I really just do a friend them not like me. So me voice note him. I said to him, say, whatever you do it chat me say. That's how me say to you, know. I say you do it chat me. As do I always do. So the voice note that I send to fix things. What fix things I've done, if I know me back, clarify himself, and I last advice what him don't do it. I said no I'm a friend from do it. So two are gonna correct with that. So you messaged me back there when I last saw to say no I'm a friend from do it because I used to do it about some things by internet, but the whole of our friend I mix up and bagga. I love the excitement as much as myself. So do it clear, say him get fixing 3 grand and by your fuck, I'm saying sweet. I said to do we kind of big happy man? Bless him. I'm a good husband. If I got change, but I say good things happen for him. That's it happened. Bless him. So fix things. Just fix things. Cause you're doing that even need to go on the road. Because when we said to do it, say you fucker, you fix things, don't you? That the fix thing. And you done the man. You understand me? Because you're ignorant to him. Because if you get 3 grand and you want 10 grand, you should have said to him, say, bro, I forget 7 more grand. But, you know, you make us say, I'm good for the man, because the studio man, nothing I look hype for him do it. Me never know say you fix things. I'm you fix things. We're a dog and woman and pussy and cat. Sweet pussy Queenie. You fix things. Me, you go down that road with you. Because I love you from a long time. And me not even take it away because when me hear you send me back, remember I do it for when me message you upon it now. I say fix things. Because the voice note what you send to do it is discriminated to me. So me reply because I teeth the man phone. So you must know say I do it phone. You never say nothing about money. You say Queenie may do in a chat or whatever you say, me no remember because as me say, I don't take it personal. Me's just a bold woman. So when you say that now you explain back to me, then you don't do it in the last part. Nice Lord. I said, me not deal with doing, you know, because me don't want a friend for them, something like that, because me not like them on the internet. So obviously do I tell that's offensive. Come on, fix things. Don't that. Don't want to just all of a sudden everybody has this wow, fuck that. You understand me fix things if you hear me. Low blood clot that. Idiot word that. You know Lord only can idiot word unnecessary. Common sense fix things. So when me provoke him last night, I'm say, you fucker you. You always tell me out for your friend them. To fix things then and him say crazy, he might take up for your fix things. Yeah, I'm not crazy. Are you the man? I know me the man I done. Are you the man I done? Because so it's the I say fix things can blood clot done because we don't know fixing for no. We just go down the street but that's fine. So fixing leave me alone. And you know what the money. You know say if we do it that bully for money you don't get enough. And like wanna make deal and when in a contract you just pissed off. So and I draw money aggravation. Doing a broke. It might you queen. If I broke today we last stop tomorrow. You understand? What's eat you? What that mean? Jojo, you fucker, you. You over there never yourself. Anytime ready to touch anyone on them, I touch you now. Purple touch. Mm-hmm. All I not sit down power and suck out like vampire, so. More time all months after it's so keen. Yeah, no, and she's trying to be, and she's trying to make everybody happy. What kind of fucking stupidness is that? That don't make no sense, baby. You can't even trace. You understand? You chat shit, you so like it. It's so like when me up on the stage, I dance and I make noise and I sing at the same time and I catch breath. Shut the fuck up, Jojo. You understand? Jojo come suck up my ears. I try to look at it. My eyes a little blood clot attention. I like to be seen. You never know. I seek my own attention off of my own self. But you seek attention off of people's story. But she need to go back and watch the video. Oh, me need to go back and watch something on my post, oh man. Hmm? Yes, fix things. Yeah, I'm doing I need to go down already. I eat that blood. I'm not going man and leave me. I'm fixing them by now. When my voice note, you know, I said to you, say, fix things. I said, do you do one video and 2 on the tall there front and do their back. I'm a trouble do it and say, do it. Oh, yeah, the shortest one I there back. When I come from a long time, I dance and I bleach and I make music. Who have high hopes, some who have medium hopes, some large hopes. So all of them.
I want to start tell you bad man talking here since night or whenever you make that talk. They hear that. I'm going to come on here, the place come do. Come record. You understand from what? In a January. And now is what? Now is what? Now is what? April. And I just know your blood clot puke. You need not vomit fam.
Because you answered him last night, do it?
And last night at this morning,
This
you run him
morning.
up on the mother coming afraid of you. Now none of your bad man friend them pussy. Cause remember this. You don't know where I come from, you know.
No,
Know that I am a check about anytime you see me a road and blah 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 pussy.
And I check everybody bad
You
internet.
can't run up in my pocket.
Nobody can do
You
that.
know that.
You can't do
Because
that.
before me left your pop, before me left your place, me get 3 grand. I drink, I smoke pussy. Cause I come in your place, cause make sure you smoke and a blood clot drink. And before me left, me get 3 grand. You hear that? So hear me I say you see any. Hey boy, I bet you go to you know, cause this morning this year boy. Yeah,
I'm good to you, fucker. You that's why if you stick to your wife. That's why when they run every minute, I run.
When my wife voice note last night, why you never tell her, say, oh, you pussy, you make it seem that me sit down for, when I come in your studio, me sit down and chat my wife, batty man. You hear that, batty boy, that's where your girl will come from foreign, that's why you're not avar. You hear that, because you don't know how to keep the girl. Know that, the next man will keep her for you, idiot boy. See me name and leave me name alone. That me have to tell you. Because you not get no iPad fight. Because you nobody. And a matter of fact, don't call him name on that too.
I'm good for you. Sweet
me. And not good for me.
That's for sure. Every minute you get vexed and done.
No, it's not good for me.
So all of your friends
I tell you from the film studio, I not deal with him and him not deal with me. You know when him text me, when him see it up on the internet, I must hear say you must call him name on the internet. Him a voice note me. And when him voice note me, still never look on him. You hear that? So why when you link him last night, he never said to you, say, yo, you know, see, your husband owe me.
When step on the end of the voice note, sir.
Me I do some things, and you know like, bumbo, me tell you this, me not do nothing for please you, me not fuck man, you hear? Me tell you that pussy. We time me and no fucking in anybody where you back here you. Me not do nothing for please you, no brother. Oh.
Yeah.
Make sure telling you that.
Life goes on. Mix up can't done. Me blood clot. Fly this.
From we a bumbo clot January. I come in your studio come do one song, pussy.
How we song you do that? You fuck, you?
And I just know you come run off your stinking mouth, bumbo pussy. You know none of your friend them can't see me road and them nah.
The man said him save and take the money from you, man.
Take your pussy hole. I want to you.
I want to see you, man.
I want to see your body with blood.
Do it. You must be responsible for you do too. Go, man. Know that too.
I can tell you something. I can stand responsible. You hear that? In a real life, why you take now for the opportunity? Because you see the clout where you can get pussy, go suck out your mother because you not get none right to say you come in and know you. You notice from January them time them in a link your pussy hole. You know see that you're blind and you want a glasses. Suck out your mother.
Figure on a tune up and sit down and set him up against me. Yeah, man. When anything happens, hold on and sit down and draw my pussy tongue and turn it in a merry-go-round. Sweet me, it's the whole of them turn against him, but thank God said it, man, to the drunk. Yeah, call that a stupidness. When me go studio, wait there.
Well, as I come in your studio, pussy, you tell me, oh, what? Oh, my wife a deal with me and I like how my wife deal with my pussy. You may say no body boy, don't make me start, hey boy.
Let me know, man, I eat that. Wait.
You come on internet and flip, bumbo well. Just remember this, you hear that? You can't see me nowhere. I'm a matter of fact.
Yes,
you can't even come in on my space, brother. If you're over this, you have to stay over this with your people.
I try to go, man. Why when me message you last night, I have to do with phone? And said just fix it because the voice note where you sent to do about me. From this, for me pick up mess.
All down is a corrupt set of pussy. That's why I can't move from one place to another. Bumbo, you hear that?
Wait, now do it. Go and go build me the stiff and go to man. Listen, yeah. You see, do it innocent, you know, but let me tell you what one thing we do it. You send them have him little dirty foot friend them and him little cheese pan friend them. If him not check them this month, him I go check them next month. The expectation of Dewey's growth is them have high expectation. No, it's not about that. It's to show the love is not about where you can buy materialistic.
Yeah,
Wait now, baby. Go on.
Let me tell you something now. You hear that? They say to where the Father God that bless me and my wife youth. Nothing where ono say I do, ono can't stop. Cause another island send for we. You hear that? I mean Africana. Hey boy. You can't get no clout off of me, you know, look up thinking bumble, no studio, pussy. You hear that? You know, no bumble clout studio. You hear that? All when they see in there. No top artist now come and your bum and me. Come give a little studio, a little blood clot forward, pussy. Go suck out your studio go suck out to no mama. You hear that?
Fuck yeah.
How the fuck
boy,
me
you already got the music with people.
Me say anytime you are none of your bad man friend them from we family and pussy. Just step to me here. And that me have to tell you.
Stop it nice. The whole honor just turn against Dewey SEH Dem to Queen.
I want to know you.
And a good man.
Nothing over your son can't stop, but I owe your money, pussy. I come around your studio, and when it's a flask, pussy that drink out tight bumble. Know that.
But that's how we live. I come around and pick star up for me, pick fruits off and something. So you can make money out of it. But remember, you know.
How you want to try to flap me thing, pussy. Your thing now gone away. You been at the music before me, pussy. And your thing now go. Your thing stagnant. It coming like a lake. Not even when breeze blow it, no blood clot move, pussy. Hey boy, move up, you know. You hear that? And give away.
You know, I think I make millions out of the thing down nice like one time song. Listen, man, enough people have got a journey, travel journey with you, but I know everybody
you know, none of your friend them neither can't run up. You hear that? Remember we family, you hear me tell you? Remember around them usually stay pussy. So you
go man, me do it, go man, no, no, this run up blood, the whole on are full. Go man, you and them about blood clot, run up, move on a dirty blood clot. I'm tired of your dirty blood clot all. Wanna be blood clot, the whole on, no, go.
You go see if it's a broke blood clot man you deal with.
Do it, go on, do it. Go on, build me the yeah, your dirty blood clot, bang around friend them. Every blood clot week, some of them. No, my love. This internet. Everybody wanna be famous. But realistically, do it. I'm not gonna do this today, you know.
That boyfriend them a bang and see na informer pussy.
Everybody are informer, blood clot, Lord, that everybody just bad at mind.
About your informer boy. I want to you that me telling you in media alone I couldn't give on the sense. I want to you. Me not enough friend I do nothing, you know. You hear that? Nobody me never do nothing.
Why did I marry to this guy?
I want on a bomb buckler run up.
And do if they run up where you gonna do it? Shut the fuck up to do it. What your mouth? Oh, you mean you not get trouble? How you get?
I stalk them mother man.
Oh, do it.
Bomb buckler.
I think that's over by now.
Sober. See that video there, they like it.
But are we everybody turn blood clot? Mama man and Skettle and Miss Jane and Miss Liza. And Miss Mama Lang blood clot.
I don't say they go live pussy and I say I wish blood clot program put your pink wall like that. I really pink wall you want to make pussy wall. Buckler and an ambition, bro. That me I tell it.
Do it.
Daydreams, and one of them there for big put you up, man, pussy hole, a big pink wall for put you up. Them can't blood clot flap me in a bumble. Them can't take back the numbers and tear back the hands of time for me, and know that you come for internet, but pussy, anywhere me see you, oh, I'm off to give you, you know, no money for your thinking, boy. How you want? How you do? Who like bill? Pussy hole go pay light bill where your teeth, you hear? Pussy hole and come off from a bumble clot name, you hear that, boy? That me have to tell you.
No, not bad doing.
It is on internet.
Friends like this.
Bad man lower for me name youth. That me have to tell you, bro. The fuck the youth. I don't know you, know. I don't know you from nowhere, no boy.
You know, you're moving a bumble clot. Only if I mix up an olive in. I don't want to mix up the pussy clot. But 16.
On internet. I talk about a friend them. A friend them no blood clot, but if a friend them did bad pussy, you could come on this. I talk about a friend them. I want to tell you, cause anything blood clot do me, you and your friend them have to go talk about it. You know that? That me have to tell you. They are running off your mouth, but oh, my friend them are this, my friend them are that, my friend them. I no bumble clot friend. You see me alone for pussy. Well, if you see a one, if you even one day see a nigga around me. There's no say I want the real G that. And a fake G like a self-thinking boy. You hear that? I doubt if you be there last night or 3 days ago. Cause water hardly there around this in a bumble. This is coming like country, and if you know what got blood clot standpipe in here, you can't get water in a bumble. Remember me usually around there. No?
Yeah.
Fuck yourself with me, boy.
Blood clot, that man ain't easy to pussy clot. The man them not them fractal more than me. No man. Bumble clot. I said that's the Jamaicans get tell man them stay.
So send you a voice note. Me never go pan pink wall call the name pussy. Or the fuck you reach pan media call me name. Messi say it's a blood clot. A clot here look. You gotta get a blood clot now we see. Thinking dog shit pussy. You hear that? Cause your voice is song for me from blood clot January.
I wish on that song, do we out?
We sang voice in
You not even know which song you fucker, yeah? Well, the song not released.
If you notice, me Dave not play the song like that. Nah, nothing cause me don't get a talk on it and I say, alright.
But fix things, the amount of song when I do a year studio. But you know, fix things that have me up for when they make me go check the girl the night. When I go back to England in the morning, and they make one girl book me, me take 10 grand, you know, for go a party. I mean, so the man have me up, so I give him 10 grand.
Not get no bookings, man.
Him soon get bookings, leave him. Listen, man, let me talk my story now.
You're too bad, man, and curry pussy, and not get no bookings, because suck out yourself.
May I go back to England, and
I come tell my wife, but, oh, you might do some things and when I not like her. Pussy never that you tell me when I come in the studio, batty boy. You tell me straight, say, oh, dog, you do some things with your wife, you know, bad man not too like, you know, but you don't know. You see me as a gangster, me not too go in a man, oh, my pussy got suck out yourself, hey boy. If you ever make me tell, Lego me, but hey boy, don't fuck yourself with me, you know.
Send that chat me for sure.
Of course, the man that chat in here, the man send it in a voice note. And I try clarifying bumbo clot to make it look like I'm here the bad one. Hey boy, go suck out, hey boy.
I used to allow them to chat me. If I stop them things that too. If I run them when no matter how you vex with me, make you chat me, I make them move. When I move on a dirty blood clot and a bad man, the man. Yeah, do it supposed to mix up. It's sweet me on the chat, man. Them come back, come chat on a blood clot and tell me. I say it forgot. And that's a call unity.
Pussy, when me tell you something in a real life. Who know the blood clot know about this if that bumble boy never come from blood clot media? Say anybody blood clot mix up. Don't turn the other around you, sir. Turn it blood clot around the day, sir. You hear that? And don't fuck on yourself about me mix up. What the fuck do you, man? You see me a trouble people? You see me compound? When I compound this way, when my wife have video me since day, where you see me I do? You see me a trouble no bumble clot body? You ever hear me compound me there trouble no blood clot body unless them fucking trouble me? I want to about mix up. Hey girl, go mix up your blood clot face in your mother and father, man. And move from right this.
Alright, trace out them dirty blood clot. Yeah, I'm turn girl tonight, so I'm to blood clot that. Yes, I'm Kimber.
If a blood clot, you know, take a bumbo clot. Say, pussy no clot not there for your pussy hole, cause you can't get a hit song over yourself. Know that. The fuck there you.
And that's him
Nobody
now
look for you.
You know my song invite me must around
you
4.
Coming like bad
so
man, we have to tell you straight. You're coming like enough artists up there, them call them underdogs. You will never blood clot go out there.
I tell up that.
Oh, that
Tell up. Mix up for this. The world full of baga blood clot. God cover with Father Jesus.
Media, boy. Oh, pussy, you owe me, I make you off a pay me, off a pay your bumbo clot. Hey boy, I want to ring you up on the hey boy. Actually, they even know when you don't know. What the fuck do you know, man? I want to take this thing for. Happy go lucky. Everybody come join it. Go join up and down the mama, you hear that? That me have to tell you now. I'm here telling us straight pussy. Anyone who feel like you tough and rough, me I make a perfect example out of
them. Now with some gunshot can do it. That's like the whole of them. Me not look for do any back, do any friend in my back and blood clot belly rat. By next week you see man them.
Oh,
don't mind
no. You see from come here. You notice me not go link now, man. You notice that me stick to myself. Me not want no friend cause to move you on a friend really kill man of Jamaica. You hear that? And none of uno Now come on me and steer on me for you whole day and program me and tell man to come kill me. You hear that? Cause suck no, hey boy, you have to get a challenge for do that bumble. Know that. Come again and repeat it 20 blood clot time and have to try for me. You think at one time, none of you can come on me come sit down and feel like you can tell man say yes me there and you can come for me. Pussy. Can't go friend alone do that. You hear that? Not even a realist enemy not have time for blood clot. Waste. A friend alone do that. That's why them say friend enemy. None of you know kill me you. Let me tell you that. And when you see someone can't kill man, you not try for put a brand for a man thing like say man thing.
All the picture with them I send you and say yeah.
All the picture of me see. Beauty bling. That's why I'm black you thinking bumble off of me thing in there. You hear that? Hey girl, watch this. I'm gonna show you something.
I think you fancy beauty bling, you know. Leave beauty bling alone. Because if it's a blatant little beauty bling, I beg it out. Leave her alone.
My friend, let me tell you something in real life. I say if man done for you, it never done for my wife. You hear that? And if woman did done for me, it never done for me because I find my wife. You understand? So in real life, you know what you need to do? You need to go back to the giant board. No matter of fact, go back to grade 7. You see me, go back to high school days. And see if I can get that little lovey-dovey high school. Married my bumbo clot. I have Instagram. And not even for your story, you can post your husband. Hey, girl, come off a blood clot Instagram. Only thing you do is post blood clot people like me and my wife. You know, post
lap your frack tail and class out them blood clots. But them want to move on a dirty blood clot. And when on a phone time, everybody rejoice and I listen. I said, listen to you. Class out in them dirty blood clot. Maybe this.
Can't tell you something, man. My mouth done shut in. You hear that? Right now, I walk me to open. I may tell any pussy hole. I would fuck the man. I women have nothing about me bumble right now. I can tell you this straight pussy.
Got back here.
Cause suck your mother now. I want him to know. Can I feel like I some weak fence and can come run up on a pussy. Eh? I want to have 14, you hear that?
Listen, more than want everybody make some money because I chew them hungry and broke it.
Yeah, man, I chew them hungry and
yeah,
clot,
do it, bro. The whole of we blood clot, bro, but we still a survive.
Hey, boy, one thing I can't tell him I broke, but I still a move, you hear that?
Them get strength because we in a class,
yeah. Still broke, but I still a move. You broke where you are the pussy. You talk about your friend them this and your friend them that you have studio, you make no blood clot money, you make no hit song. The hit song come out of your studio.
The man say about the friend them that's somebody at them chat.
Your friend them do that, you not do that. I want to hear you out. Bumbo clot.
You don't know what the man do. The man that chat loud that, fuck that.
I want to hear boy and dumb, me dig up some of your friend them file now that come have enough of them file here. When you go on blood clot fuck with me, you hear me tell you? I want to see the real mix up side of blood clot. That me I tell you. Because I don't know the fuck no come over blood clot and think of some joke blood clotting. Pussy, if you think about do another bumbo clot like, I call me name. Pussy, we come talk about my own money. If you think about bumbo well, batty boy, straight up. Hey, that no homo fam. Pussy, if you think about do another life, I call me name, you see something. Hey, that the whole on the file me go dig up bumbo well. Remember a farm when you usually live and find a pussy at town and live in a country man. Hey boy, don't make me bumbo clot start talking of pussy. You hear that? But see me thing and love me thing, brother, because I never you notice. From I left your studio, bro, I not link you, but I not say nothing to you.
When me message you last time, why you never say my husband you? You know me that come get a little thing for me. So you got alright, but pay the man
internet,
money.
From bumbo clot internet, but pussy you have to pay me. Bumbo hole. You make all if me owe your money, pussy, you make too much time drawn out for that pussy hole. And I told me send a voice note this morning, pussy. Why you never send me back a voice note? And all if you send me a voice note, I block your pussy hole off of my phone. I want to hear about hey boy, you better than me. You better than me, little boy. Of course, a little bumbo him. I doubt if him reach 28, him about 29.
Bumbo
him reach 38, him about 29. I want to hear. Fixing them a little bumbo clap pissy tail boy. They even know if a fuck him girl good. Eh? Boy, go from right to say girl come from foreign and want to spend our money with your pussy and then want for blood clot. Deal with the settings. Pussy I come run off your mouth. I'm tell that's trying to stagnant. When I steerage part in the deck and no movement pussy hole. That me I tell you, 'cause you get white girl and enough for the white girl. To you boy, duppy but
Mm.
come chat up to man.
Friends like these, you know.
Yeah, boy.
No, sir. This piece side up front. Give me some more weed. Where my Spitfire there? This bomb clock. The whole of man they want to beat me up for my husband. How this so far, God? I'm in a business. I don't know my husband, no business about. When I see my let loose, I'm going to try. Ouch. All the edge. Kind of like a private.
Oh, you get up to take up live. I call my blood clot. You ever go for your live, you go call a man name. Eh? Pussy wall. Bumbo clot. Look how much man come in your blood clot studio come work you out from blood clot 11 o'clock till 6 o'clock in the morning. And again the money. But I mean, you want come from blood clot internet. Pussy, remember make you 3 grand before me left your blood clot studio. And me tell you, say, yo, police just pull me over. Me have to give them a thing area. 3 grand me have to make. Hey boy, I bet you go look up under somewhere you know for looking up pussy and don't make me send you here. Cause you see my blood class and your youth, you have to go pay tax. Boom, hey boy. The fuck they use.
So do how much you owe him now?
I don't owe him now.
You owe him something.
I don't owe him my blood clot.
That's right, I owe you. So if you give him 3 grand, how long it stays through there?
What? I never stay long.
What is not stay long doing? A friendship. And that's enough to mix friendship with business. So to him chat me. Wait, man. Do his quit so do it. We started the studio time. Remember we are right. I mean, them not laugh it out. So what am I for do? What am I for blood clot do then? A joke thing. You fucker you. It's sweet me. So me laugh it out. Fucker you. Who can you fucking feel? Yeah, you know what? Me have no friend crazy. You know what I mean? Me never come see you with a friend. Me never meet you when you come to me much in time. Me never see a friend till long after. When me I am married, God bless the amount of friend them with the dead there. Sweet man. So don't tell me don't laugh it out, because I'm not going to help you drop down over all of your friends.
Who see me that's why I do a next live.
More are going to come. You have more friends are going to come down your car. Me never see this the blood clot. Everybody on Instagram cussing. I want to sit down and chat me. Oh, Queenie love Instagram too much. Your wife love Instagram too much. Queenie this, but a blood clot Instagram I couldn't know. I mean, make some money, make an Instagram page. But everything now. You could have said to me this morning, now you first started, because me message you off of my husband's phone. I said, fix things and do a voice note, you know, so you have them. You and do a chat me. And you come back and you say, no, Ray, you're crazy. You said, I not remember you said, because I don't really care. I just want to know, so I hear the voice note. And then in the last part of the voice note, you say, no, I'm afraid for do it, because do it something.
Not you have my phone in there, make the people let me say. Pussy me not do nothing for please you now, none of your bumbuckler girl and nobody will associate with our feelings.
I am first trouble here for truth. So when me hear the voice note, me said to do it, say, go and fix things done here. And do it, say, no. And my bad blood clot, girl. When me ready, me run him phone, him could have deal him, change him pin 100 blood clot time. I must catch it, but when me achieve, me really put it in your seat. Obviously, duh. But me the wife, so when me lie down in your chest plate and I lick off your titty and something, you get the two of them start to wrinkle and you press them with something, I catch it. Love that do, me calm the situation. Please be careful. Then let them for kill with dirty blood clot. Then not for come kill. We busy with them. I not go. When for dead with them. Nobody no last time. I not go. We don't want this up people every minute. Every minute, everybody in me and doing life. I don't
feel like you can't do enough for my bumbuckler obstruction for me and my wife. Like, know that me and make sure I take my oath tonight. I don't have to go live in a hole till the next dead. Know that. Oh.
Where the vice note? Them want to hear about the vice note. How you first started? Oh, you feel so you have up do you know be a man, because if me reach out to you to the voice note where you sent to my husband, remember do not tell me nothing, you know. I said, do it. Me say what on video with fix things and him next tall friend and the 2 tall man there front and you there back. You hear that? You supposed to highlight the fucking video. That's all me say about fix things. And me said that to fix things. And fix things say, Mama, I be able to show you.
Broke pussy, you broke a damn blood clot man in here, you know that? Eh? You talk about man broke. Bumbo clot.
Everybody broke.
Patak cause blood clot kickle. Could blood clot you to a talk about broke. Eh? You see more over you want some bleaching cream. Pussy I better the day me out me say yo dog you know more sponsor me some bleaching cream. But I get some bleaching cream in it. Cause right now me not too 200 in it. Hey that. Now come talk about broke pussy. Class yourself before your class no blood clot body. Bumbo, when you see a blood clot, hey boy.
I bet send them already that chat me. That's why I don't forget that cocky and
Me
pussy
never
fight.
that chat ya. Him voice note me, I'm tell you, say me don't look on him voice note. Up to now, me still never look on the voice note until you send me a last this morning, me look on that. That pussy me no know, you know, see a stagnant pussy, well, me no come round here. One time I come round here, bumbo, well. And if I come round here, me no come back round here again, because energy no click you.
Because I'm desperate. Then in a better I get desperate and get something more than up on the land and I get nothing. Duh. So I'm desperate and make do a clone now, but I still have him with me. I mean him married and that's a title and an honor to me. So work it out, baby. So if you want to stay up on the land because you're not desperate and you're not make nobody clone you, that's your journey.
If you're desperate for.
That's your
when
journey.
When it missing for 2-3 hours, you say with the blood clot, then you need for call feet. You need to get desperate.
Yeah.
Blood clot and stop watch out people.
Desperate is in the dictionary, okay? Do him out get him in a trouble. Him out always get him in a trouble.
Don't get me in a blood clot trouble for you perplex my blood clot so me just go talk. I don't give a flying fucking fuck who you fucking be.
Everybody bad and this and that. And I move on a blood clot. And I think I son get a value to do you know better. The whole on the same set of crab in a blood clot. But don't mind oh no.
We're different from them trouble me in a blood clot look. That me I tell you.
You entertain no fuck with them to do it. Give them ammunition to baby and that's the truth. So you know what? None of my friends them can't chat that they can't hear boy. I let me dev against him, I hear them something, I say me ears them. I say leave him, don't pass the place. Let me say what me you want to say. Only man like to sit down and flap fractal and class woman man and woman partner.
That don't pass and go no. Make any blood clot once you know as our step you know you see the different ball game we play. Argument done and blood clot said fuck that no. Bumbo clot. Just sit down and live on bumbo clot that.
Happy showing them gang, you know.
Run more you run up in it, you see pussy. You da see chuck where you run up in it, you know. A flat your bumbo clot, you see, press you out.
Jesus Christ. You just tell me don't do it.
Bumbo clot, Bob. There's a clown circle show me that show you too. You know that.
Do you know better than me? Don't know.
Bumbo.
You're not too bad. Life short and life cuts like a knife. Do you dance? I dance away.
I dance away from. I dance away. Name me tell you. When me da go school, ask anybody with blood clot know me. A back eye class me did there. Back.
You don't steal for true, man. Thank God for you, man.
Dance. I know me in front of my class and me still blood clot dance.
Him dance for true, dance?
That me have to tell you.
That's why Jamaican boy, them dance dark, illiterate, them small-minded, them petty, and them have some liquor.
If me did small-minded mode.
I didn't say you know, do it. I said enough of them. Them think.
I still thinking in my box, yes, but I think out of the box. You see me? You have to think out of the box.
Can I get different experience, do it? It's a life challenge. When you're stuck in a one environment, you're used to just that style. So somebody take a slice of bread, you know, think after you can go back and buy 10 slices.
Some pussy come talk. Pussy think a zinc fence and bumbo clap board house and my neighbor bumbo wall of bricks. You hear that? You talk about broke. Hey boy, move from bumbo clot right there, Sam. Hey boy, move and go from blood clot there, sir. Boy, broke. Right no fucking. You think a bush and blood clot cricket? And my blood clot neighbor night time. Oh, I'm to you, brother. A bricks. The fuck dear.
My husband,
bumbo clot, you come talk about bro.
Where money name where you have America get do it? Where money name? Where money name? Where money name where you sign up for again, man? Or your partner can get. It born who? Who it born? Oh. But hey, it's good for the clown and hat, so. My hat plus blood clot tax and they all over the world and I live life. So it's nice. Try being a clown and you will reach somewhere. Mm-hmm. My clown and I sit down and watch me. So suppose I was a clown. I'm still sick. Ooh. Anyway, right, crazy. Oh, I'm shifty. Go sleep, now, lady. How that you know until I see na ride me, I can't sleep. My careless. Okay. That's why I'm a Queenie. I'm a pussy me send out. Let me know I have artist career.
Hey, you go hard for my name since day.
Oh.
Eh? But see if a blood clot find it. Cause I want to address a blood
It's not
clot.
that fun.
I want to address a good in a youth, you know.
I'm happy come there Jamaica.
You don't know. The blood clot there, you don't know. Hey.
We really have a fact. Cuscus will be a good word. We just stress out. It just sweet when friend them diss him up. Just to free the whole of them sit down and class, man. Then the whole of them turn bitch like me. You understand me? The whole of them just turn Miss Jane, Miss Liza, and them sit down and class. Oh, the woman love Instagram. Move on a blood clot. I don't know and take from it. I get bookings outside and a career. Him owe the man for truth. They're my best friend. I'm supposed to owe him. I'm supposed to class do it for him money to it. Sweet me.
Tell you and your own self come take it here. Pussy work. Take it bumbo clot. Come.
The fuck are you? Boy, yeah, running from me what the music of my friend them. What time bleach out white?
I want place alone in
Me could never be friends. My friend them chat line, dash your money at strip club and block bumbo clot bank. Where you gonna tell me about? Eh? My friend them are busted. They come tell me about baby. Miss Julie. So when put him friend them in the head, sir? Money. Anywhere in the world, me see you doing me and take my money. Come in, my hard work. Bumbo clot, I may your picture them put up?
fix things. You can't get no blood clot money. You take too long for bumbo clot for me. Pussy. I want to you bumbo clot you come for media flip. And King mix up a guitar but me better sell red bottom for sort out problem. Pussy me have a red bottom in my Jamaica I'll go and beat them in on a blood clot face you see. I make one on a blood hey.
Shut up, man, because
It's going to be a blood clot, bloody
every time
LC.
I said to you, put them on. I'm crazy, I'm ready to wear them. It to beat them. Because none of them it can't fit.
Blood clot, boy, you come from blood clot media. He's a media person, nobody know you from blood clot media. Eh? Yeah, I don't want nobody a blood clot text my phone either tell me about me blood clot go easy, man. And love blood clot me. Because when the pussy them dey on the internet I call me name, no, they tell them for bumbo clot done, you know. You hear that? I'm tired of blood clot them now. Leeches from bumbo clot piece of bumbo clot leaf. I mean, it's not that leaf, it's the wrong fucking leaf. You hear that? The leaf here spring, it green, it's ready. And pussy no the corrupt it, you hear that? Go suck on a blood clot self with a piece of string. Oh.
To God be the glory, do the great things, yes. To God be the glory. I'm not going on a bed. Come do make me go hug up. You get off your steam, baby. It's alright. Remember, you're famous today, a celebrity. You just blew up so. Them feel like you don't deserve where you reach, but
Big thing, you will never reach from level pussy. hear that? You may there look for right now to see how much followers you have, because you don't have not even one blood clot number good. See King mix up there with blood clot at a night. Eh? You might put up in there at a night, kind of even know if you find it on Instagram post. So.
Moving a blood clot, him can't get no hurt and him not get no hurt. When I walk and I will kill our blood clot people for free. Well, we not gonna be there above us. Go get hurt in a pussy clot in a go. Nobody can touch you. I 90 from the corner of our head. I refuse and I rebuke that. In the mighty name of Jesus, no weapon formed against me, my husband shall prosper. And do we love them. You have to learn after them little things. That cuss let out your steam and when you know your own little shell, you learn. It's where all of them take time for print out, to show the world so use nothing. But you're every fucking thing to me. And that's the fucking key me married to.
No, I see as a bad man come take the money out of my pocket. Pussy, a matter of fact, I can't come in my space. You hear me tell such man that already, and since me there Jamaica,
give me a lighter. Give me the lighter.
He's not been in my space. You see me? You can't come in my space neither. Me I tell you that. The fuck no man, I want the bomb buckler to take me for. Some come around, ring me around, bomb buckler around.
Are you for value yourself, brother? I look for it. That's a weed, it's a weed. Are you for value yourself, do it?
Buckler to take this thing for. Pussy, you carrying have no bomb buckler weight tonight, youth. Fuck there, bro.
Boy, do it, Brock. Do it, Brock, you married to me.
Pussy, you broke no fuck. That me have to tell you.
I will get bookings. The girl
you broke no blood clot fuck. That's why the white girl will come to you what day at the pussy clot. She run if you. And when she come and see the deplorable state where you're in, brother. The fuck there, man. Hey, boy, go on one side, man. You hear that? That me I tell you. Cause to your blood clot house, look down to all the big pussy girl where that call up my name. I hear blood clot place. She have a run with to make it look like over 4 yard me there. You hear that? Cause that the only place you could have find where resemble fair place, your place.
Which girl?
Now Kimona.
A fair place, no.
That time she not put it up, she know with the same like the picture like when the chair with the there dance. She put up a picture.
Oh,
like
the background. She did use that for
one fix things.
She put it up for highlight, but that.
But people here say a fair yard me there and blah 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 ask it and
oh yes.
You get me?
So all the feelings are gone. Poor me now look the whole of them want kill our blood clot.
So, in a real life, my fam, you see me? Just for show you. You see me? Zinc fence and board house is not my neighbor fam. You hear that? A bricks. Know that. Do the fucking maths after that too.
Do we sell the ring again?
I want to.
Tell how much time him can sell the one ring.
I don't know that ring selling the steal the fuck out now fam. Sell
the ring and buy and go pay fix things.
That's steal out now.
So how you reach to 10 grand? I don't know. How much hours you do I stood them?
Bumbo clock no about 10 grand pussy. Hey boy, I want here. How old you man?
I'm a charge him AC doing upgrade.
Yeah, bumbo clock studio,
I'm a little studio and I like that.
A first for real studio pussy. Hey boy, go one side and
lift up. My little studio.
Lift up from bumbo clock boy, yes sir, but hey boy. Hey, me say I want to see you. Come take hey.
And that body do it. Let's say I take your body.
Why? Come take that pussy. Come, I can't tell you this.
I do it come.
I promise you.
Right, crazy. Later.
I promise you, a moment I touch my pocket.
Later.
Pussy, I light out. Know that. Blood clot.
But I love see to other fight physical and I laugh. No weapons. It's all of just fight it out.
Bad man, I can't tell you this. I don't have time of fist fight with no boy.
What?
Me a bleach.
No, fight off. If it's not fist fight, it's off. Fuck that.
Me a bleach. I'm not a time a boy fist me in my blood clot face. First and foremost, me is a slim blood clot, man. Me have a bounce of a throw you down. That me have to tell you.
Fix things, but I do it fast.
Me a celebrity. Me not have time for this.
Oh. And that's like that. No, you're you're talking. Baby, you're not getting at that, baby. You have music, more music for them. It's a fixed thing. Well, I don't see two other fights.
And could get a chance.
Two bleach out, man.
Me I do all blood clot things and for blood clot. Me I chew dirt in the face, all type of blood clot things. So pussy, they can't touch me. So get mother, man. The fuck there.
Everybody have their own strength about this, but if you don't compete with somebody you can't do. Celebrity, yeah,
I'm not
baby.
compete. I'm telling you, don't call no pussy name on it neither. I'm not compete with no boy because you're not there on my level, brother. You hear that? That me have to tell you.
Well, you just fight it out physical.
No
I think that's fair.
Me and him not have no fight to fight, cause I make sure tell him my mind this morning, I tell him straight, pussy, me ain't no friend, I'm not want a friend from you. And nothing where me I do. You understand me not want to feel pleased at it. So pussy, don't blood clot text back my phone and that take care of chance. But I talk my mind straight, pussy. I make sure tell you my mind. I want to me not go around the corner.
I be a piece of friendship. Do we have?
When my wife had this year per day, when she said, I come here blood clots, dude.
Me, this don't tell a lie for me. When me this him up
when him claim to say him here upon the live, I diss him up or what's the blood clot ever, it
me never diss him up.
Me never
I say I fix things, I fix things. True that, I didn't diss up him. But me I fix things I have not, no?
Me not talk about that. Me never say him have nothing. You see me?
Then how would I?
First and foremost, you see, from me and him have something, you and him blood clot have something too. And
yeah,
that me have to tell you.
Oh,
so I don't know the fuck you come tell me about. You and him not have nothing. Fuck that. The blood clot you tell me about.
Alright, husband. Jesus Christ. Mix up. Baga baga. Blender. Passa passa. Pot pot. Mele mele. Scandal. Jesus.
That me can't understand it, Uno. So, things happen and wait till months blood clot after for report. I wonder wait upon God for come. Cause suck out to no matter with that man. Pussy I mean no way you no money neither. You hear? That me have to tell you. And hey boy, stop fabricate story against me. You hear me tell you? That me I tell you. Cause one thing one of my dog tell me already. Big bad man. The man tell me straight, say if you can't blood clot war with a man physically, you use the blood clot police, you hear? So no go and fuck on a blood clot self with me, you hear that? Remember enough me know about around there, no boy. Know that, you know. And don't me empty. Don't me empty my blood clot belly, you hear? That me I tell you, cause me not see no and trouble in a boy, you hear that? That you have like that.
I don't. I do it. Come enough for that now. For
Get up and a live per man bumbo clot name.
I say go celebrity world.
Find one good blood clots for living a man a blood clot career return.
I said leave the man in him house now.
Your kitchen in your stew there pussy. Suck yourself.
I used to run the door.
So one time I go back around there. I'm never go back around there from that. Not even call blood clot engineer. If you say yo engineer, you know say yo whatever, I not like this or I not like that. Suck yourself, pussy. You see me not come back to your place. I'm not call it. I'm tell boy. Me a bad boy.
Oh, do everybody bad?
Nah, boy can't program this.
Anyway, okay, this.
Fuck, Tony, you.
Blessed love.
Come talk about pay money. Go pay your girl money. Look like you owe your girl some pampers and some feeding. So me I come look some for be a burden bearer. Suck yourself, boy, and come off of this. Auntie. Cause me rub it from now till next week. Here, pussy. I start to just start me up. Come for internet and chat off your mouth. Yeah, nobody know your pussy well. But the bumbo clock know you. Nah, name broke bumbo well. You say him do music. Eh? Tia Sun City alone play your music, them in a bumbo well. One place it stay in. That yeah, tell you. Sun Blood Class City, Pope more alone here that. And everybody too.
Do it done now, them bumbo clock done.
You can't tell me when for blood clot. Then I bet you come off of that. That me have to tell you.
Alright, try crazy bye.
I tell him how much old him for go shove up him head up on that. Now. Fuck the man.
Maybe I'm gonna hide from this now, so they're not gonna find me. We're gonna hide. Cause we're scared.
Hide.
Do them say sleep in a man kitchen. Yeah, they cooking a feed cheese spot. Then the same out to say no, that's about
blood
this.
clot ever.
Class out
Say,
it,
if
that's the
me
blood
did ever
clot.
sleep or fix
My
things,
name on
yeah.
the food, I not offend me. My
Yo,
class and that's it.
we can't tell you something. If me did ever eat a fix things yard or sleep a fix things yard, he would have more to say than I owe
But
him
him
more.
can't come say you eat that cereal because
Him
you see
can't
there.
blood clot. I never female had me that sleeping or stay in a night.
Alright, do it.
I never blood clot.
Do it. Don't do it. Don't do
that.
it. This not going nowhere. Right, crazy later. This not going anywhere. Do
So
it.
him bumbo clot can't blood clot.
Alright,
Call me name.
come detox.
Him no blood clot, nothing about man.
If that has to do that, boy,
if
you
you
for
ever come
class.
on my life, come even say, utter me name out to your mouth again.
But you don't ever come do
I
it.
want him come do it. Because I got empty my belly blood clot bottom. Because remember in a pussy hole, is a whole file for around the year. So go fuck yourself good tonight and come and you see something. That me have to tell you. Because you're not a girl for fucking all the baby mother blood clot run out to your yard. Your white girl come run the fair. Baby mother gone if you're not a girl for fucking you and make you have to fuck her fucking music we are doing in the studio. Blood clot there. Bumbo clot. I mean I want to come look it up for you not get no it
Do it, I'm tired of you now. Shut up now, do it.
I mean, they fuck who want to.
Alright, crazy. Later, bye.